If you want to start affiliate marketing, but you feel overwhelmed trying to choose your first product, stay with me. I made 6 figures as a beginner, and now I've grown my affiliate marketing business to over 7 figures, and I help beginners get started every single day. Today, I'm going to help you choose your first affiliate product in a way that is not complicated and that makes sense for you. A lot of beginners get stuck at this stage, trying to choose the perfect product. It's not because they're doing anything wrong. It's just that nobody has explained the right way to even look for the right affiliate products for beginners. So let's break this down in a beginner-friendly way. When you're brand new, your goal is not to find the perfect product. As a matter of fact, the perfect product doesn't even exist. Your goal as a beginner is to find a product that you like enough to start promoting it so you can learn from it. And then as you learn, you can make adjustments as you go. The product that you choose as a beginner is not the product that you have to stick with. As a matter of fact, I chose a brain training for dogs product when I was a beginner, and I only did that for 2 weeks. But the confidence and the knowledge I gained from doing that was worth far more than delaying that step for 2, 3, or even 4 weeks without making any progress at all. Here's what to look for in a good affiliate product. You want to pick a product that solves a real problem, that is fairly easy to explain, and has a clear benefit for the person you're trying to help. A beginner-friendly product does not have to be something overly technical or something huge and grand. Honestly, you want to be able to describe this product easily in 1 to 2 sentences, and you definitely want to make sure that you feel good about telling people about it. Now let's talk about the difference in digital products versus physical products. Physical products are products that you're going to find on Amazon, Walmart, Target. These are normally gadgets. These are usually under $100 to $200, and they also pay low commissions, meaning that the commission rate is probably between 3 and 10%. Digital products are online courses, softwares, memberships. They typically pay much higher commissions, which is excellent if you want to make real money doing affiliate marketing. And some of them even have monthly recurring revenue, which is even better. Both of these types of products will work, but I really recommend digital products for beginners just because it's better and you're going to make more money that way. Now let's talk about which products actually convert for beginners. Which products are actually going to make you money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. These products are normally beginner-friendly digital products, low-ticket offers that lead to a high-ticket upsell, which is what I recommend, simple tools and resources that people actually need, and courses that solve a clear problem. You do not need to chase trends. You just want to find a product that people actually want to buy and that they benefit from. Now, here's what you want to avoid as a beginner. You definitely don't want to start with an offer that you don't understand, super technical software that you can't even describe what it does, products with tiny commissions that's going to pay you 40 or 50 cents for every time you sell it, offers that take forever to explain, because if it takes you forever to explain it, it's going to take people time to understand it. Anything that feels confusing from the very start. If it confuses you, it's going to confuse the person that you want to help. So how do you pick an affiliate product without feeling completely overwhelmed? Let's break it down. Ask yourself, do I know what this product does? Does it solve a real problem that people have? And would I recommend this product even if I didn't earn a commission? If the answer is yes to those questions, it's a great first product for you to start recommending to people. So here is your simple plan to get started with a product today. So here is your simple plan for how to get started with affiliate marketing. First, choose a product. Then get your affiliate link. Next, create a simple piece of content that solves a problem for the people you're trying to help. Next, you're going to create a lead magnet or a freebie that you are going to give to someone absolutely for free just so you can help them that relates to their problem. And then you are going to continue to send them emails about how the product that you are promoting can help them more. Remember, you don't need to have everything figured out to get started. The goal is to learn as you go. Choosing your affiliate product doesn't have to be overwhelming. It doesn't have to take you months. You just need to get clarity on how you want to help people, confidence to move forward, and action every single day that you can learn from. If you want more beginner-friendly affiliate marketing trainings, comment beginner below. You can join my free community where I teach beginners how to start affiliate marketing.